What's up, everybody? Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to be getting into the Nike ESC Crew. Now, the Nike ESC Crew retailed at $350. The Nike ESC Crew was a part of Nike's ESC line, Every Stitch Considered, that released in fall of 2020. Now, this is a pretty high price point for a Nike Crew, but as I get into the video later, I'm going to show you guys the details and the materials on this product that make it priced at $350. I own several pieces of the collection, and I'll drop videos for all my pieces that I own. I couldn't find much information on these pieces, so I figured I would drop a video for you guys so you guys could see the pieces in their detail and decide if it's worth the high price tag. I started this YouTube channel to show you guys my Nike Lab and Nike Tech products. A lot of products I couldn't find a lot of information on size, fitting, and just is it worth it? So I figured I would bring that to you guys so you guys could see if it's worth it to you. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and without further ado, let's get into the review. Now, on the Nike ESC Crew, I went with the size XL. I'm 6'3", 230 pounds. I normally wear a size XLT, so I rotate between a size XL and a double XL. I really like how Nike made this as a designer piece, but also in an athletic fit. This is a pretty loose fitting crew. Now, the Nike ESC Crew is made up of 100% cotton. I would be very careful on how you wash it. My recommendation on washing would probably be dry cleaning. I've yet to wash this piece. I haven't worn it that much. This is a super expensive item. At $350, this is a very high price point. I do think this is more worth it than some of the other items in the collection. I think that the Every Stitch Considered collection is something that's going to grow in the future, and I think that they can do something really big with this. This is a very high quality crew, and I think it's a really nice piece to add to your collection. Buying this piece, you have to be okay with getting a very minimalist piece. This crew only came in one colorway. There is a mini swoosh on the back. This crew does feature one pocket on the back. At the end of the day, it's just where you're at, and do you want to spend $350? Comparing to a lot of designer prices, this price isn't too crazy, but as a Nike piece for a plain black hoodie, this price seems pretty ridiculous. As always, I'll drop the product number for you guys so you guys can find this item. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the channel out a lot. This is not a sponsored video. All this is on me. I will be bringing you guys a lot of content on Nike Lab and Nike Tech products that I wasn't able to find help with, and I'm hoping to help you guys with sizing and just, is the price worth it? I'd also like to bring a lot more of awareness to Nike Lab and Nike Tech products because I just don't see too much about them. Make sure you guys go check out my other videos. I will be uploading a lot of videos going throughout my closet. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video.